Hi, Chris. My favorite noise or sound effect or whatever it is, I can't do it because you can't like replicate it without it sounding kind of crappy. It's a noise that was in an old television show. Television show. It's an old noise that was in a television show that I used to watch. I'm pretty sure a lot of people used to watch it. It's from Reading Rainbow, and every time they'd have a kid come on the show and be like, "Oh, I love this book, it's great, and you should read it." That noise is so cool. I want it on my phone. I want it after I complete things in life. Yeah, so that's my favorite sound effect. Um,